Introducing the new MobileServe Site Study app, designed to help you quickly conduct site lubrication program studies and assessments at your customer's facility. Site studies and assessments are critical aspects of an overall lubrication program and support key steps in the sales process. The site study is most effectively used for new business opportunities in the Identify Needs stage to help document current practices and identify key areas for improvement. The results of the site study should be used to support your formal sales proposal development. The site assessment tool is most effectively used with existing customers in the Expand Relationship stage to assess lubrication program performance compared to best practices and identify opportunities for further enhancements. Site assessment achievements and additional recommendations should be documented in a formal engineering service report to demonstrate lubrication program value to the customer. This app guides you through the process of a thorough lubrication program study or assessment, which includes everything from storage practices to used oil disposal, allowing you to document your observations with comments and photos to more efficiently deliver lubrication solutions to your customer. If you have used a previous version of this app, you can expect some useful enhancements, such as an upgraded user interface featuring an intuitive, flexible design and the ability to view only your desired categories, increased photo capabilities with enhanced cropping and annotation features, improved export file formatting and better file compression, and new site assessment features with standard rating definitions and spider chart graphics. Now, let's review some tips on how to use the MobileServe Site Study app. First, let's look at the dashboard. To create a new study or assessment, simply click the plus button and enter the account name, study, or assessment title, location, and date. You can also easily search and sort for existing studies by title, date, or location. From the dashboard, you also have the ability to edit, copy, or delete items from the line item level simply by swiping to the left. There is also a dialog box to the right of each study and assessment. Tap it to view a quick summary of all your sections, where you can access or edit your notes with a few simple taps. When building or editing a site study, you'll notice a variety of new features. First is the Customize screen, in which you may add a handful of custom sections to a study at once. Open your site study and click on the sidebar or hamburger menu in the top left. Here, you can edit your study or tap Add Section to create a new section. You can also hide and unhide sections, as well as arrange the order of the sections within the study. The site study allows you to answer the questions for each section and add photos where needed. When adding photos, you may either take a new picture or a batch of pictures using your device's camera, or add an existing picture from your photo library by clicking the appropriate icon. All selected photos are added to the media drawer for easy accessibility within the MobileServe Site Study app. Once you have added a photo, you can tap on it to open the photo editing tool. This tool allows you to annotate the photo, highlight important features with the draw and arrow tools, and crop or rotate the photo. This version of the MobileServe Site Study app offers a dramatic improvement in photo capacity. Photos are compressed to 1/8 their original file size, allowing the user to export a site study or assessment with up to approximately 250 photos. For best results, when exporting files with less than 50 images, your ExxonMobil email address should be used. However, for files with larger amounts of photos, tools such as ShareFile are recommended. You may save and exit the study at any time using the sidebar menu. Your study remains directly accessible from the dashboard at your convenience when you are ready to resume. When your study is complete, you may export the study to Microsoft Word format. You will find many of the same enhanced features when creating and editing a site assessment. You can hide, unhide, customize, and arrange the sections and utilize the sidebar menu to easily navigate between sections within the assessments at any time. In each section of the assessment, you can now tap the Info button to get rating definitions for each question. Then, simply tap the stars to assign the appropriate rating. To complete the assessment, answer the questions and add photos as needed. You can save and exit the assessment at any time using the sidebar menu and return to it from the dashboard. When the assessment is complete, you can tap to export it to Microsoft Word format. From the dashboard, you can also access the spider chart for each assessment. Simply click the icon to the right that looks like a spider web. The spider chart is a simple way to see which aspects of a site are in top working order and which, if any, need further attention. Note that you need at least 3 sections of an assessment fully completed before the spider chart will be visible. And finally, from the dashboard, the top left sidebar menu offers access to the help options, which contain various helpful tools to navigate the app, as well as how to send feedback or report a problem. Now that you've learned the basics of how to use the Mobile Serve Site Study app version 2.0, we hope that you find it to be a user-friendly tool to support your customer site studies and assessments.